Hey, what's good, YouTube? You already know who it is. It's your boy Calvin, man. I got another reaction video for y'all. I just did a whoa, Calvin, slow your mouth down. I just did a reaction video to David. You feel me? This last video, and this video I found. This is like one of his first vlogs, maybe. I'm not sure, but this is like 2 years old, bro. Like 2 years old. It's putting the puppy into the microwave. It already caught my attention, you feel me? But if you like this video, make sure you like it up. If you're new, make sure you subscribe to that channel. Press that red button, man. Let's get it.
This is it. This is my first vlog. I don't know how long this is gonna last, but I'm gonna give it a shot. I'm gonna try vlogging maybe every other day, every day. Who knows? But I'm gonna do it. So subscribe to the YouTube channel. Hey, this is my first vlog, man. Alright, let's just start vlogging. What a dick.
Right? 2015.
Oh my god.
7/29/2015.
Yeah.
Oh, welcome to David's first vlog.
Go, Gabby. Do something nice too.
Oh,
Creators going create.
congratulations.
No one's gonna subscribe.
Yo, Heath, give me a house tour real quick.
House tour we got.
The story about the Hilton.
What are all these little black spots on?
I really don't know.
I'm dead.
But I hope they come out. Do it. It's a kiss cam.
Kiss cam.
Oh. Kiss cam.
Did they use to date or
What
something?
is this? Kiss cam. No, you have to. Dude, it's my first vlog. If this was like my fourth vlog, then don't do it. But like, you have to do it now.
Kiss
So
your
that's
person
the first
only
one. That's a
vlog.
really bad.
Yo, this is how tall Alex is in real life.
Come with me.
How tall are you?
Okay. I'm 5'10".
Yeah, I'm 6'5".
Alright, let's do this fucking vine. When he's over 6 feet. This is behind the scenes of Zane and Heath's vine.
He only cares when it's his own damn vine.
Oh yeah,
He
exactly.
only cares if it's his own.
Yeah. All right, so can we get this done?
Alright, let's
No, but I looked up and nobody said get on the ground.
Yeah, but why?
No,
why
shut the fuck up! Fuck's sake! Jesus fucking Christ!
This is good. This is good.
So, this is how vines happen. Behind the vine.
I'm dead.
Yes.
Ooh. The whips.
You still peeing? Can I come in? No.
What if I was?
It would have been a good vlog then. That's what it would have been. My first vlog, dude.
Oh, it's a vlog?
Yeah. Look here though. Don't look at the screen because it looks really weird.
Oh, okay.
Say something.
I like to look at the screen because I like to know if I look pretty or not.
I know, but it's not.
Gabby,
It's not all about
when
you,
do you not look pretty?
Well, that's what I meant
That
to say.
angle that David just hit me with.
There was no screens in your life.
The
You'd
nose,
still
the
know
big
you
ass
were
nose.
He's the smoothest
She
boy
got-
I know. Oh my God, Alex, you guys look so much alike. It was your twin, bitch. Go biking with you guys.
Thanks, dude.
I'm gonna feel like I'm 12 again. Psych! We don't know how to ride bikes. Now we're going to Michelle's because
don't know how to
apparently
ride
she got a really
bikes?
cute dog, so we gotta check that out. See if it's really cute. I love you, Ted!
We're meeting up with our friends Michelle and Pedro right now.
I didn't know this was your
Look
vlog.
at,
Oh,
look
it's
at
my
David,
vlog now.
bro. David with David vlogs.
Yo, guess what, guys? I vlog now.
You're a YouTuber now.
I'm a YouTuber now. Are you drinking? Yes. You're not old enough.
I'm a YouTuber now.
Roosevelt. Fun fact: the Roosevelt is haunted by Marilyn Monroe's ghost. It's like a old LA tale.
What?
But we don't. Oh, it's Richie.
Have you ever had that moment on Hollywood Boulevard?
What's that? What are those? Pee stains. She peed her pants.
What?
Disgusting. Okay.
Hooters.
What's up, guys? So we're at Hooters right now, and I just wanted to point out this really American sign. Kids eat free all day Sunday. How great are these people?
Oh man.
My manager gets really jealous when I sit at guys' tables.
This
is how
David dances.
That's not it. Now we're gonna get to find out if Michelle's dog is actually the cutest thing in the world.
Hello, it's not.
David!
Yo, where's your bitch? Or your dog?
What?
Oh my God! Oh my goodness! Okay, this is how small this dog actually is. Look at this.
Roll
Look at
a
this.
dog like that, bro.
This is how small it is. This is real, I swear. Look. This is a real thing.
Tell me this is a real.
Oh my goodness. And it literally can't walk around because the shirt's too big. Look, watch.
What?
I can't walk around. A lot of you guys have been wondering how I make all my dishes, my dinner. Today we're gonna be preparing a dish that I like. It's called puppy. And what we're gonna do with puppy, basically, we're first gonna cook them up a little bit. We're gonna throw them in the microwave. We're gonna get them all warm.
Wait, it's got to be the perfect thumbnail. Put them in a little bit.
Like this.
Yeah. Now I'm gonna close this a little bit. Okay. Now look at me. Perfect. That's the perfect thumbnail.
I'm gonna go because I'm gonna go play with the puppy. But until I see you guys tomorrow, thanks for being here for my first vlog.
No problem, David. Hey. Hey y'all, that was David's first vlog, bro. That puppy was so damn decent, bro. I wish I had a puppy like that, man. You feel me? But y'all, hope y'all like this reaction. I fucks with David. I low-key fucks with David a lot more than I used to. Like, when I first started reacting, he was cool, you feel me? But now I really fucks with him. I really fucks with him now, you feel me? But anyways, if you like the video, give it a thumbs up, man. If you're new and subscribe to the channel, man. It's your boy Calvin, man. I'm out there. Bang.